The iBell AeroFry 420 DM air fryer, with a 4.2-liter capacity and 1500 watts of power, offers multiple cooking options. It features a dishwasher-safe non-stick coating and adjustable temperature control. Healthy frying made easy with a 1500-watt powerful motor and advanced air frying technology. This ensures crispy and healthy cooking results. Versatile cooking options include multiple preset settings for fries, chicken, steak, and more. This allows you to experiment with a wide range of recipes. Easy cleaning and maintenance. Dishwasher. Safe parts and non-stick coating for effortless food release and convenient cleaning. Precise temperature control. Adjustable temperature control, up to 200 degrees Celsius for customized cooking, ensuring your dishes are cooked to perfection every time. 1-year standard warranty plus 1-year additional warranty on registration. Registration should be done within 30 days from the date of purchase.